Hi, my name is Umar Hadi. I'm the Consul General of Indonesia here in Los Angeles. And I have the pleasure to inform you that we will organize Indonesia Infrastructure Forum on Thursday, May the 12th, 2016. And it will take place in LA Hotel downtown in Los Angeles. It's gonna be a full day forum where we expect companies from Indonesia and companies from the United States can meet and talk and find opportunities to work together. This is about infrastructure upgrading because Indonesia has experienced tremendous economic progress and growth during the last decades. Indonesia today is the largest economy in Southeast Asia and the 16th largest economy in the world with GDP over 1 trillion US dollars. And therefore, we need to upgrade our infrastructures. We need more modern seaports. We need more modern airports. We need more modern railway systems. We need more toll roads. We need more electricity. We are building 35 gigawatt electricity in 5 years. And the Indonesian government has set up a very ambitious plan to improve, to upgrade our infrastructure worth around 545 billion US dollars in 5 years. So it's a lot of opportunities. Important companies from Indonesia will be here. The Minister of Transportation himself will be here. Please come to this Indonesia Infrastructure Forum, May 12, 2016 in Los Angeles.